Okay, Forex traders, come, let's talk. Now, I'm going to be as sincere with you as possible, like very, very sincere, right? Call this video whatever you want to call it. Whether you it's a video you're going to watch if you want to become profitable, it's a video you want to watch if you want to know what to expect when you want to come into Forex trading. Call it whatever you want to call it. But now, the most realistic truth about Forex trading is that what most Forex methods are not going to tell you is it is a very, very different game from what you expect. Now, they tell you before coming to learn how to trade, remove that mindset that you want to make money before coming into Forex. That's what they tell you. So that when you start making money, it's going to be an added bonus. Now, let me tell you, it's 100% impossible to remove that mindset from your mind. And they will not tell you this. They just tell you, remove that mindset, remove that mindset. How do you expect me to remove that mindset? That should be your question to your mentors. How should you remove that mindset? And definitely that mindset is going to kill you, right? Because let's say you're someone that is struggling. You've been struggling for the past 1 year. And then someone told you Forex made him $10,000. Forex made him $1,000. And then you become, let me try and do this thing. Let me make money too now. Abi, let me make money too. So that's you already having that mindset that if you learn this thing, you are going to make money. And that is the mindset your mentors are telling you to remove from your mind before coming into Forex, because it's going to kill you. You are going to learn a little bit about lot size before you start risking lot size. In fact, it's going to ruin you from the beginning. Now, what should you do? Right? Definitely, all of us, even me, when I entered Forex, I was broke as fuck. I was looking for money. That was why I entered Forex. There's nobody that will tell you that the reason they entered Forex just to learn it. No. The only people that are going to enter Forex without that mindset are the people that are rich. The people that already have money coming from somewhere. Those are the only people that will enter that mindset. Be like, okay, let me just learn this thing. I feel a lot of people are making money from it. Well, let me just learn it, and hopefully in a year or two, I'll start making money too. If you see that rich mindset, you know that it is not 100% is going to work out. It's not 100%. They are already putting it in their mind that in a year or two. That means this period, this first year and second year, they already said that, okay, I'm going to be learning during this period. And that's what brokies like us, when we entered Forex, that's the mindset we do not have. Right? That's the mindset, because those people that are rich, that enter Forex, they already know that if this does not work out, they are going to fall back to their stable source of income. Right? Now, as a brokey, whether you are a brokey or not, you are looking for money or not, you are not profitable or not, now, this is one advice that is going to save you the stress. It's going to save you. In fact, it's going to, in the next 5-4 years after you become profitable, you will look back to this video and say, this video saved me. Right? And what's that thing I want you to do? The thing I want you to do is, whatever you are doing that is giving you small money, if it's asking for your parents, so if it's doing your POS job, if it's salary job, if it's Bet Naija, although if you are doing Bet Naija, better remain there. Don't come and add it to Forex, right? Whatever you are doing, do not stop it. Don't say, last month I made 30,000 naira from this work. This month I'm making just 12,000 naira. So I want to learn Forex. Forex is going to take that 12,000 naira, that remaining 12,000 naira. Forex is going to take it. Are you hearing me? Now, keep that job. Do not stop that job. Continue doing that job. And take Forex as a part-time. We know you have that message. We know you want to make money, but continue doing that job. Because when I started trading, right? When I started trading, it was my last money I imputed into Forex. And let me tell you, I blew it. And the only thing that saved me was I started doing something else that was bringing me money. Right? Because now, let me tell you why it is important to have something else to do. First of all, stable source of income, right? Secondly, something to take your mind off Forex. And that second one is the most important of them all. Something to take your mind off Forex. If you don't have something to take your mind off Forex, trust me, you are going to fail. There's no way. You are definitely going to fail. Because imagine you take a trade, you take a loss today. After taking that loss, you are angry. You don't know, what am I going to do now that is going to make money? If Forex does not give me money, what am I going to do that is going to make money? You enter another trade again where you are not meant to enter another trade. You see what you're doing to yourself already? You're already killing yourself. Can you see that? Right? So, if after taking a loss, you be like, okay, business is calling, let me just quickly run to my job. Your mind is already off Forex already. Your mind is off Forex. Right? You're already thinking about something else. No, the first one, something to bring you stable source of income. Forex is going to chop your money now. It is going to take your money. If they tell you that Forex is not going to take your money, it is going to take your money. Whether you are taking signals from the best Forex mentor ever, whether you are very, very careful you are the most careful, it is going to take your money from the beginning. Have you heard me? It will take your money. So you need a stable source of income. You need a place where money is going to be coming in continuously, because you are going to keep putting inside Forex. Forex is a skill. It's a skill that you learn, and it's a skill that is going to help you make money. So you need something to fund that skill, right? You need something to fund that skill. There's no way that your business is going to pay you more than Forex. In fact, I don't think there's any business as lucrative as Forex. Like today now, the way I trade, right? I just wake up around 2 p.m. No, let's say I wake up early in the morning. I'm just going to be scrolling around TikTok, scrolling Instagram, trying to do something else, right? Also thinking of ideas in order to boost my business and all those stuff, right? When it's 2 o'clock, I start analyzing the markets. 3 o'clock marks, I'm already in a trade. 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock, I'm done. Imagine 2, 3, 4, 5, 3 hours of the day. That's the only thing. That's the only time I have to look at Forex. The other time is maybe me responding to my mentees or giving out signals is also around that period, right? Can you see how short I have to spend? Very, 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 very short, right? That's what I'm saying. Now, when you have money that's coming into Forex, it's going to be funding your Forex. You're going to keep learning, making losses, taking losses, learning, taking losses. Even if you're taking signals, you're going to be learning, taking losses, and all. When you are good, you see it start paying out, right? Like I was saying before, Forex is a skill. Now, if you're doing a job, right? For instance, if you're doing a job, what do you think they are going to first ask you? How many years experience do you have in this job? Or if you're applying for a job, rather, how many years experience do you have? Why do you think they're asking you? They don't want to give the money to somebody that does not worth that money. They don't want to give that money to someone that is not worth the job, that is not even meant to be there, right? Someone that has never taught before, or someone that does not even have the gift of teaching. He just want to go into one place. I want to teach in the university. Please apply me. They're going to ask you, how many years experience do you have? They need to know. Do you understand? They need to know how many years experience you have. And Forex has to know how many years experience you have as well. Those first year, second year that you're going to be losing is the experience that you're going to be having. You're not going to be profitable without that experience. Do you understand? So don't come into, okay, I cannot stop you from coming into Forex with the mindset of making money, but I can tell you what to expect when you enter inside Forex, and that's what I'm telling you right now, right? That is what I'm telling you. I'm telling you the plain truth. So my advice for you today is have something doing that is bringing in stable source of income, right? Take it slowly. Don't fund all your life savings. Divide it into 10. Trust me, you are going to blow the 10 times. I'm telling you. Don't say that you are good. You know yourself. You trust yourself. When you put your mind to something, you do it. We know. But divide that your life saving into 10 times. Because if you blow an account 10 times, you have more experience than when you blow an account just once. I'm the one telling you. Go and ask anybody out there, right? So take it slowly. Even if it's your life saving, take it slowly. Have a stable source of income. Fund your account gently, carefully. Don't fund too much. Don't over trade. Don't over leverage, right? When you take a loss, be cool. Have a trading plan. Risk management, important. You see that risk management? You cannot be good and don't know what risk management is. Well, there's no way I'm going. See, let me tell you something. This video is just going to be inspiration for you. There's no way you are going to even be profitable if you are not serious and you're watching this video. It's going to be inspiration for you to go and blow another account again. I'm telling you. The best Forex traders out there, they learn from experience. Nobody watched video and became profitable all of a sudden. It's not possible, and I'm telling you the truth right now. I had to stop my car to make this video for you guys. It just came inspiration. The Lord spoke to me. So this video is going to be inspiration for you. Those that are not serious, you will go, you say, oh, this guy just said everything. Now I know how to start. Now I know what to do. Then you go inside the Forex, you trade, you blow the accounts, then you come back to watch the remaining half of this video. So my guys, ladies and gentlemen, we know the struggle is real. We know you want to live like this, your mentor. You want to have money. You want to trade. In fact, you want that success, right? You have to take it carefully. Like, just follow this step that I've told you. And trust me, there's no way you will not become profitable in Forex. There's no way. It's just going to take time. And your approach to Forex is going to determine whether you're profitable or not. Not taking, like I said, not taking all your life savings, funding it at once and blowing it once. No. If you divide into 10, 20, fund little by little. When you blow, you learn more mistake. You blow, you learn from a mistake. You blow, you learn from a mistake. Before you know, you already have the experience. You already have the experience, and you're good to go. Trust me, you are not going to be profitable with that experience. 1 year experience, 2 years experience, then you start seeing the reality of it. That's when discipline starts coming in. That discipline has to be there. And also get a mentor. I cannot stress this fact more. Get a mentor. Get a Forex mentor, right? So that's just it. I think that's all, right? That's what the Lord said I should tell you guys. So please like, subscribe, like for more tips like this on this video. I'm going to be dropping videos like this. I'll try my best to be dropping regular videos on YouTube now. Follow me on Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, YouTube. In fact, do the shit, right? So I'll see you guys around. Thank you. And don't blow accounts. Be profitable. Try and trade safely. Peace.